Sometimes life just leads you in unexpected directions. I never expected my life would turn out this way. My office is the sea, and this is what I get to do almost every day. I live on a tropical island, so I get to wake up to gorgeous weather pretty much year-round. And in the mornings I walk down to the shop and I meet my students. Basically, I get to tell them this is what I love to do, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. Being a good scuba instructor takes commitment, patience, and you have to have a real passion for what you do. And above all else, you also have to have a tremendous respect for the environment. I love teaching. When you see that spark of your passion in your students' eyes, it's almost as if you're passing a part of yourself onto them. One of the best things about my job is that I get to meet some of the most interesting people from all over, and I get to show them a different world. Well, before I started diving, I was a canoe guide, and I was also a band teacher. I've always loved the outdoors, and now because of diving, I get to play outside a lot. And when I'm not underwater, I teach yoga. Becoming a professional diver was a natural choice for me. I had some great PADI instructors, and I would see them and think, I want to be like that person. And the atmosphere on the IDC was great. My course directors and the staff instructors really helped to create a team feeling for all of us, and we all became a family. Now I'm working towards my master instructor rating, and since I can do this anywhere, I can live and work in these amazing places, and I can do the things I love and explore other seas. My friends say that I'm brave for choosing this path, but I always tell them, you could do this too. The people who are hesitant and nervous to take that first step just shouldn't be afraid, because at times you just have to let some things go in order to embrace something else. And you just need to remember how big the reward can be and what adventures await you. My name is Krista, and I'm a PADI dive instructor.